This is Nicholas attempting to move my truck. We will see how it goes. It takes forever to get in and get it started. 30 seconds. He is such a nerd, he wants me to videotape this. Look at those lights. He has yet to move, and it's already been a minute. Jesus. See, he's in there. Look at him. Keep going. That's good. Yep. That's good, Nick. Nick, you're good. Now go forward. Straight. Nope, go back this way. Come on! Yeah, there you go. There you go. Just keep coming straight. That's good. Damn, that's one sexy looking truck. Stop! Fool, cut it off! I'm trying to sell that thing. Is that how the big boys do it?
Yeah.
There you go.